Karen.
Thanks, Ellie, for doing this. What's your advice when it comes to dealing with kids?
I think one of the best pieces of advice I was given was to be wary of saying no and telling the children that their answers are wrong. So if you ask them a question and they give you a wrong answer, rather than kind of being very much like wrong or no, trying to work out a way to make their answer be valid and then direct them in the right direction. And I think that they really respond to it. That's something that I find with teaching or performing, both of those. I think it's quite important. So that's the main thing that I thought of straight away. And then just trying to be inclusive. I think that's really important as well. So, they're going to be louder kids. They're going to be kids that are more forward, but making sure you're very inclusive. Those are the two key points that came up immediately.
Wow. Well, thanks, Ellie. I really appreciate
You're
it.
very welcome.
Yeah, right on. Thanks so much.
Yeah.